New data management solutions are routinely introduced into the market and sold as faster, smarter and better. And nowadays you have the cloud options and subscription-based fees depending on usage and size. Investing money and time in these new solutions is often an expensive exercise, especially when your existing data management solutions do the job, albeit not as efficiently and effectively as many of the newer solutions. This, more often than not, leaves you thinking, why fix it when it isn't broken? There is, however, a smarter option that offers you the benefits of the new, faster, smarter and better solutions, prepares you for the cloud, and gives you peace of mind that you are keeping up to date with the latest in technology without the worry of additional investment and uncertainty of breaking something that's already working. In an effort to bring together our industry-leading database technologies as well as our expertise, professional services and intellectual property, we've launched Insight, a freshly minted, comprehensive managed service solution that saves you time and money by simplifying deployment, maintenance and support of your existing databases and data management, removing the typical existing data management issues, preparing your systems by future-proofing for the cloud, and not interrupting your current environment. All this without disruption and within your current operating costs of your existing budgeted cost centers. It's like putting a single coin into a bubblegum machine and getting a handful of bubblegum out in return. It's not often that organizations get a single offering that combines as many important services into it as you need. Our Insight solution applies all of the expertise accumulated from years of providing solutions to large and medium-sized enterprises in the data sector, and then it adds value. This includes an optimized landscape, fully managed service environment, the latest repackaged software versions as well as software bundles, a new cloud-ready licensing model, cross-licensing for interchangeable operating systems, for example, being able to move from Sun Solaris to Windows or Linux and thereby decreasing your total cost of ownership. All of this at a same or similar cost to your current operating spend, allowing you for a cost-effective and secure data management foundation for enterprise application architectures capable to scale and meet the information volume requirements. As your Insight managed services provider, we empower businesses to get the most out of their database and associated systems. You get all of the local support you need to take care of business while allowing you to focus on new initiatives, keeping you ahead of your competition. One entry, one dashboard, one view that highlights all of your data insights, a handful of returns in one robust solution. Click on the link below for further information on Insight.